Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a 1099-B form from Fidelity step by step clearly. To verify a 1099-B form from Fidelity, start by collecting your documents. Log into your Fidelity account on their official website. Navigate to the Accounts and Trades section. Click on Statements and Documents. Select the appropriate tax year from the drop-down menu. Look for the 1099-B form in the list of available documents. Download or open the 1099-B form for review. Check your personal information at the top of the form for accuracy. Review the details of your sales transactions listed on the form. Ensure that the transaction dates, quantities, and sale prices match your personal records. Confirm that any adjustments, such as wash sale loss adjustments, are correctly reflected. Look for the summary of gains and losses provided at the bottom of the form. Verify that any cost basis information aligns with your own calculations. If you find discrepancies, gather your transaction records for comparison. Contact Fidelity's customer support for assistance with any inaccuracies. Make a note of any questions or issues you have for your tax preparer. Keep a copy of the verified 1099-B form for your records. Store all related documents in a secure location for future reference. Consider consulting a tax professional if you have complex transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.